Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to the pathway of your future. Here, I'm standing at 24 Lancaster Street. We've got a 3-bedroom home, 2 bathrooms. Yeah, the place needs a little bit of updating here and there, but it has been beautifully looked after and it's got some real unique features. But look, that's enough from me. Let's go through and check it out. As you can see, it's got some real unique features. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing on how tidy it is, but it is very, very tidy. But look, if you want to come have a look, give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.